Fake sky demon plane. Fake plane. Light on the tail. Early in the morning when I get off work. He's exposed, and you got 3. 1, 2, and 3. Can't make this stuff up. Sky demons. No airport in sight. Now let's see what the haters, doubters, naysayers, mockers, and trolls, internet keyboard warriors have to say about this. Enemy is exposed, folks. He's exposed. Yes, he is. Come to Jesus, man. Oh, for all you people that's got some of this cuss words on my posts, come on my wall, use profanity and blasphemy, you being blocked. Look at that. You will be blocked and you will be banned. Look at that. You can't tell me that look at that fake sky demon plane. Come to Jesus, folks. All I do is produce proof and truth. Look at this. Look at that. Beeline. Come to Jesus. I'm out.